and got me into it.
You like that, Julius?
Yeah, he does. He wants to get on it. What's wrong, Julius? You want to go on the train? This is not one that you can't get on every train around here. Only some of them you can look at, some you can get on. Come on. We're going to walk around and go to those trains over there. This is not the way to get to those trains.
I have no idea.
Uh-oh, there's a train coming, Julius. We got to get off these tracks.
I'm scared.
You hear that bell ringing? You know that bell.
Close. See, look all in there. Tell the thing in the case.
Is there a train coming? Look, there's a train coming, Julius.
Let's get off of these tracks.
Back over here. Come on, Julius. Come on. That's the switch track engine. Yeah, but we don't want to be on the tracks, though. Come on. You can watch it go by from over here. Julius, come on. No, it won't. We're coming over there, guys. We're coming. No, you can't. You got that train's coming this way, Julius. Do you want to get hurt by the train? Yeah, it is. Look. Julius, get back. Come on. Because they're telling everybody, get back, get away. You can't be by the train. Yeah, it's got a steam engine on there. Wow. No, we're going this way. Come on. Come on.